Hey everyone. So the other plugins here that we have is unlock chat at a level. So basically, if you know Skool basically has levels, right? So if you join a community, you'll be at level 1 or level 0. And then the more you interact with other community members, the more you share value, the more you're engaging, posting, liking, commenting, you will accumulate points that will move you to the other levels. So from level 1, you move to level 2, then you move to level 3, and with each level, you might unlock something. So for example, let's say your community is brand new and you don't want people to messaging, spamming other people or sort of join your community and start messaging other members. You can actually lock that. You can do it here, unlock chat at the level, and then you turn this on and then you select the level where people can then start messaging each other inside the community. I will recommend level 3 or 4 will be a good level. But the more your community grows, let's say it grows to 1,000 members or so, then accordingly you will choose a much higher level, just so people are encouraged to engage and participate inside a group before they start personally messaging other community members. Now, this is totally optional, right? In my paid community, Success with Funnels, I do not have this turned on simply because I want people to connect with each other. And so far, I haven't had any spamming concerns inside my community. So if your community is still small and growing, you don't need to have this, right? Only when your community grows to a lot of members, you can turn this on. All right, now the other plugin is unlock posting at level 2 or 3. So people will only be able to post inside your community once they are at level 2 or 3. This way, your members will have to put in some work, meaning they will have to keep engaging inside your community. They will have to, like, comment to other people's posts before they can actually post inside your community. And this is sometimes good because it can actually help your community in terms of engagement. And they will have to put some efforts to actually be able to get the most out of the community. So again, if you're still starting, if your community is very, very small, you don't need that. But once your community grows, it becomes very big and people are like posting left and right, you can put limits on that. So these are two plugins that I won't recommend you worry about right now. Your community is still small, it's still starting, so focus on getting most people inside your community, getting them to engage, getting them to participate. Then you can worry about these other two plugins.